Hi, my name is Aidan, and I'm the owner and creative director of House of Assembly. House of Assembly is a Bahamian heritage brand that specializes in leisure footwear and accessories. Every element of the brand and the products that we make are inspired by the islands themselves. So, from our vibrant screen printing to our intricate beading and embroidery to the gold colors and designs that we do them in. The inspiration behind the brand was my heritage itself. I grew up in the islands of the Bahamas with my grandmother. And on the family islands, every summer I would help her to plat straw and to make straw handbags, which we would then take to the straw market to sell to tourists. And just growing up and doing this every summer, this is something that I really fell in love with. In 2011, I attended the Savannah College of Art and Design with a major in accessory and footwear design. And since then, I've had so many great design experiences that have taught me so many things, such as how to design for production, how to collaborate with others, but most importantly, how to be a good entrepreneur. It is my vision for the brand to become an icon of Bahamian style. Our origin is our story, and our story is our brand. Quality products made in the Bahamas. Thank you.